Hey Damon, hey Blanca, happy Tuesday. Sending you guys a quick update video on your home site here. We're making great progress. As you can see, the texture's done, and now we've painted everything as well. So trim has been painted, is in and painted, and it's really starting to come to life. So looking really good. Gonna do a quick walkthrough here today. At any moment or anything you see and you say, hey, on Friday, Frank, will you videotape this or that? That is what I am here for, you know? So it's looking good. Cabinets are gonna be coming in next pretty soon. And walk dates, I'm still waiting on them. I should have them today or tomorrow. So as soon as I'll get them, I'll send them to you. It's looking like beginning of September on this. But the two-tone paint is looking great. Look at, no more jump scare. It's drained, and then we're gonna bleach it down. It gets all spotless, and it looks good. So, yeah, this house is just beautiful. Really turning out gorgeous. We'll take a little peek in the backyard, shall we? Okay, so look at that backyard. Looking great, check it out. Masonry's already working on this side, okay? Looking very, very good. We should have confirmation, but it looks like yep, your gate's gonna be right there. All right. And that side has a little bit more room where the gate is on. This side has the AC unit, which you would not want the gate on this side, you know? So we're just rocking and rolling. You can see that little pad right there. That's gonna be for the AC unit, so. Wow, it is just a beautiful day out. I hope you guys are doing well. We'll check out your primary bedroom to finish this one off. And as always, guys, I'm around. If you have any questions, shoot me a call. And even if you got one tonight, you watch this, email me. I check my email frequently, even on my off days. So you guys let me know. But she's really coming along. So again, guys, happy Tuesday. Hope all is well. You'll be hearing from me soon with walk dates. Thanks so much.